PDF documents linked from or displayed in your website must be accessible. This may include standard PDFs such as legal documents, brochures, or product catalogs, and more complex or interactive PDFs such as reports, invoices, or registration forms. Most PDFs are not automatically accessible. In fact, almost none are. It is critical that PDFs on your site are in compliance with accessibility standards. This applies to both PDFs that you create and PDFs created by others and made available on your site. To examine and fix accessibility issues for PDFs on your site, you can send PDFs to our remediation team. List prices may change for complex documents. This is a video to show you how to remediate a PDF through your dashboard. If you want a tutorial on how to remediate PDFs via the widget, follow this link. UserWay's accessibility widget will automatically alert you to inaccessible PDFs on your site, but you can also directly upload any PDF, whether they're from your site or any other PDF you want to make accessible. For example, a store website may want to offer accessible PDFs of instructions for various products that it sells. Sign into your dashboard. On the left menu, select PDF Remediation. On the right, you will see the option to upload PDF directly from your desktop. Below, you will find the PDFs on your site that the widget has identified. If you don't have any PDFs on your site, this section won't appear. Don't worry, you can always upload any PDF from your desktop. Upload your PDF and/or select from the list of files below the PDFs you want to remediate. Check the box near the file name. Click on Request a quote for selected PDFs. A member of the UserWay team will review the PDF and get back to you with a quote. When it's done, you will get a notification email. Follow the link in the email to get the quote. It will redirect you to your dashboard so you can review and approve pricing. Click on the green Pay button. Fill in your payment details and click on the green button to pay securely. Once payment is done, a member of our team will get started on making your PDF accessible. You will be notified by email when your PDF is remediated. Remember that if you have already installed UserWay's AI-powered accessibility widget on your site, the newly remediated PDFs will automatically update on your site without any further actions needed from you. If you opt to manually embed the PDFs on your site, go back to your dashboard. You can follow the link in the email. Click on the Remediated PDFs tab. You can download the remediated PDFs along with a statement of compliance. To embed the remediated PDF, please use the custom embed code provided. You can get it by clicking on the embed icon near the statement of compliance. This will ensure UserWay marks those PDFs as remediated in our system. Let's learn how to install the UserWay widget on Squarespace, Webflow, WordPress, and other popular website building platforms. I'll be walking you through the process. It's pretty simple and we'll break it down together. If there are any instructions you need that you don't see or hear immediately, schema subscribe to our YouTube channel. In the description area below this video, check out the list of installation guides for the various platforms we support. Our support team is standing by to help you with any issues that may come up. Take a look at the links in the description area. If you need assistance installing or running UserWay's accessibility plugin, contact us via the links. You can also feel free to leave a question in the comments below and we'll get back to you right here.